Hi guys, my name is Tabitha. Today I'm going to do an unboxing and review of these 120 foot long Edison bulb string lights. So I just got these. Let's get them opened up and I'll show you what they look like. So these are shatterproof. It's just a plastic bulb, which is super exciting because the less worry I have to have about these breaking, the better. They do give you 2 replacement bulbs here, and they are that Edison style, so they are going to look so cool. And from the outlet plug here, there is so much cord. So you get all of this so that you can get your lights to where they need to be before you get your first light, which is so awesome. Most of the time, this is super short, and then you end up having to use a drop cord or something. So awesome amount of extension cord at the beginning, so you can get these where you want them to be. They do have the little clips here on the light, so if you want to utilize those in the process of hanging them up, it makes it that much easier. Let's go get these put up and I'll show you what it looks like. Here is the finished look, and it is absolutely beautiful. I am going to love these in my outdoor space out here on my back porch. It's definitely going to create a cozy, fun environment. So it's going to be a great space for us to hang out in, and we're going to have the lighting to do it even in the evening. So here is how the lights look in the evening time. These are going to be super durable. They are waterproof, sunproof, windproof, you name it. These are going to be a perfect outdoor option. So to put these up, I just utilized some screw hooks that have a little clip on them, and it worked out perfectly, especially here on my back porch. So super quick and easy to get up. So I definitely love them. If you are looking for some string lights, this is a perfect option, especially for outdoors, and I would highly recommend it.